What's up guys? In today's video, I will show you how you can get verified on TikTok in a simple and clear way. First, a verified badge confirms an account truly belongs to a real person, brand, or a public figure. It's not something you can just turn on. It has to be earned. To even be considered, your profile needs to be public, active, and fully completed. That means a profile picture, a proper username, a bio, and a verified email or phone number. The next big factor is the notability. TikTok only verifies accounts that are publicly recognized, featured in news articles, mentioned by credible media, or known as a real brand or a public figure. This coverage has to come from genuine sources, not paid promotion. Once you're ready, go to your profile, open the menu, then Settings and Privacy. Look for the Account section and tap Verification. TikTok will guide you through the process, where you may need to submit identification and links that prove your identity and public presence. When applying, include a few strong media links, articles, interviews, or features that genuinely mention you. After submitting, TikTok will review your requests. This can take time, and not every application gets approved on the first try. You can usually reapply later. One important reminder: verification is completely free. Never pay anyone or use third party services claiming they can get you verified. Those aren't official and can be unsafe. And that's it. That's how you can get verified on TikTok in the right way. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.